Are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel? You might be making some common mistakes without even knowing it. Let's dive into 5 of those pitfalls that could be holding you back. First up, inconsistent posting. If you are not sticking to regular upload schedule, your audience will know when to expect your content. Consistency builds trust and keeps viewers coming back for more. So make out time to at least post once a week. Choose an exact time on that day that you'll be posting every week, whether it is Monday by 6 p.m. or Friday. Now let's talk about neglecting thumbnails. Your thumbnails is the first thing potential viewers see. If it is not eye-catching, they will scroll right past your video. Invest time in creating compelling thumbnails that grab attention. The third mistake, ignoring SEO. Title descriptions matters. Without proper optimization, your videos might never get to the right audience. Do some keyword research to help your content shine in search results. Fourth, don't skip engagement. Responding to comments and asking for feedback builds a community around your channel. Your viewers want to feel heard, so make effort to interact with them. So if you are watching this video, please click on the like button and also comment on this video to help me know your opinion about YouTube growth. Finally, avoid focusing on metrics. While it is important to track your growth, don't let numbers dictate your creativity.